What's up, YouTube? Okay, so we're coming at you today. We've got 1,000 views on the Diode Dynamic install video for the lights. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the giveaway.
Yep, so if you remembered how you were to enter into that competition was like and share the video and comment done. We've had actually several people do that. So we're gonna draw 5 names. 5 names because we're gonna do a first, second, and third place prize. Third place gets a Rocky AEV decal. Second place gets a Rocky AEV decal and a t-shirt. And then first place gets the switchback turn signals. 4th and 5th place are gonna be kind of a backup in case one of these prize winners don't comment or get back at us within 7 days. How do they get back at us?
So once this video posts, we're going to post it next weekend. Today's the 21st, and so you have 7 days from when we post it to go to Rocky AV on Facebook and send us a private message, so that way we can get your address and all that stuff.
Also, if you're the 3rd place winner, let us know what color of decal you want.
Well, not the decal. Shirts.
Sorry.
Shirts. And we'll need size of the shirts and
which one you want.
What
so
color
we have 2 different options. The back of this shirt has our decal on it, and then the back of this shirt just says Rocky AEV with the YouTube symbol on it. The front of the shirt has the AEV and the Bison, the ZR2 decal on it.
Now I can't sell these shirts because these shirts have the AEV symbol and everything on there, and I can't make money off of that. So we're doing it just a giveaway. I make them myself. All right, so we're gonna get over here. What I need you guys to do, get my computer turned back on. What I need you guys to do is I'm going to go over here to the list. I'm gonna copy everybody's name off of the list, and then, that was already recorded, Mama. So I put everybody's name in this list. So I need you to look at the list. Getting messages. And make sure that your name is on this list.
If you commented done, make sure your name is on this list.
And those of you who did comment done, I went ahead and replied back to you and let you know that I got your name on the list. So here we go for first. It's going to be...
I thought this was 3rd.
Or 3rd, I'm sorry. It'll be Chris Woods, number 21. Okay.
Chris Woods, you want a decal.
Next one.
2nd place, 801 ZR2. And for the switchback turn signals.
Switchback turn signals, here we go. Drum roll.
Matthew James.
All right.
All right.
Now we're going to do 2 more. Was it 2 more or was it 3 more?
No, it's 2 more.
2 more. 2 more for the backups.
3 plus 2 is 5.
I'm terrible at math. Math and English. Okay. So our runner-up will be...
First runner-up is MQUEZ 509. And our second runner-up is going to be Warren Bowen. Congratulations, you guys. So tell them how they claim their prize.
So I think we already kind of talked about that a little bit. You've got to go in the comments below on this video, and you've got to post Rocky AV is awesome.
Okay? Because it is.
Because we are. Yeah. Whatever.
I mean, it's not us, the truck. So.
Right. And then from there, once you do that, then jump over to our Facebook page and send us a private message so that way we can go ahead and get everything set up and get it sent out. Once again, guys, we thank y'all for watching. We appreciate everything that you guys do, because without y'all watching, it wouldn't give us the incentive to go ahead and do these videos and have fun while we're doing them.
Not only that, we love the comments. We love the comments. Also suggestions of things that we could do. We also like learning from you guys too. So we appreciate all of that as well. So congratulations, you guys. Hit us up and we'll see you next time.